गोंयांत रावपी दर एकल्यान कोंकणी भास शिकपाक जाय अशें आदले उपराष्ट्रपती व्यंकय्या नायडू हाणें सांगलें. तशेंच आपली मायभास आनी संस्कृतायेचो दर एका गोंयकाराक अभिमान आसपाक जाय अशें तांचें म्हणणें आसा. गोंयकारांनी आपल्या मायभाशेचो प्रचार आनी प्रसार करपाक जाय. ते भायल्या राज्यांतल्यान येवन गोंयांत राबितो करून आशिल्ल्या लोकांनी लेगीत कोंकणी भास शिकपाकूच जाय अशें तांचें म्हणणें आसा.
तेलुगु, तमिल, कन्नड़ा, मलयाली, मराठी, असमी, पंजाबी, कोंकणी, भोजपुरी, any language, mother tongue that has come from mother's womb. Mother tongue is your eyesight. English is like your spectacles. If your eyesight is not there, even if you wear Ray-Ban glass, you won't say to carry again. This has to be understood by all. So, we should teach our children to speak in mother tongue. I always say in Telugu, Gudilo, Godilo, Vidilo, Amma Godilo to భాష ఉందో ఆ భాషను మనం మాట్లాడాలి. Unfortunately, because British rule, Italian mindset, some parents also today also tell the children, Babu, Mummy so, Daddy so, why is Mummy, Daddy, Midi, Daddy, Kedi? I once again compliment the government on this wonderful program, and I also like to appreciate all these associates of different states and people who have assembled here this evening here in Goa. Goa is a beautiful state and a beautiful people. Beauty and beauty combined together will become mighty. Beauty combined together will become mighty. I wish all the best people from different states. Tamil Nadu is your Janmabhoomi, but Goa is your Karmabhoomi. Kerala is your Janmabhoomi, but Goa is your Karmabhoomi. So remember local traditions, respect the traditions of the whole state also. That has to be kept in mind. Follow the traditions here. Do not leave connection with your state. This is my advice to all of us. Thank you very much. Namaskar, Nandri, Vanakkam, Vande.